If you're curious whether Grok can keep up with ChatGPT, the short answer is it depends on what you want from your AI. ChatGPT is built by OpenAI. It's the most refined AI assistant available today. With GPT-4 Turbo powering the Pro tier, it handles creative writing, coding, planning, analysis, and more, with tools for image generation, data interpretation, and web browsing. It also supports memory, voice input, and works seamlessly across web, desktop, and mobile, ideal for users who want reliability, flexibility, and a growing set of features for productivity. Grok is Elon Musk's answer to ChatGPT, integrated into X, formerly Twitter. It's powered by xAI's custom model, trained on public tweets and built to deliver real-time commentary, trending info, and a more casual, edgy tone. It lives inside the X app and works best for users already plugged into that ecosystem. It is less versatile. No plugins, image generation, or complex file support. And the humor-first tone can feel gimmicky depending on your use case. But now it does have exactly the same type of search engine like ChatGPT, with creation images and research and deep search and such. So X users like Grok for entertainment and breaking news, but admit it's not as sharp or helpful. ChatGPT is praised for consistent performance, especially in coding, writing, and long-form reasoning. Use ChatGPT if you want more serious multi-use AI with premium tools and a track record. And try Grok if you live on X and want a more casual, tweet-savvy assistant with an attitude. Do you want me to see how Claude or Pi compare to these? Just say the word.